Hello loves, it's Uziza Soup Recipes here. How you guys doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this super delicious Uziza soup. Yes, this Uziza soup was delicious, and the amazing thing is that it's easy to come up with. Continue watching as I walk you through. So here I have my ingredients. Here I have pepper, Uziza seed, seasoning cube, onion, and ogiri. Then next is intestine, cow intestine, cow skin. Okay, and this is the thickener I'll be using. It's called ofor, right? Then palm oil, crayfish. I'm going to be grinding it with the pepper. Then here I have beef. So next is dry fish and stock fish. Okay, and here we have Uziza leaves. I'm going to be washing and shredding these Uziza leaves. So here are basically the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this delicious Uziza soup. In a pot, put the cow intestine, onions, add seasoning cube, salt, then add water and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the beef, then the stock fish, cover and leave for 5 minutes. Add the pomo or cow skin, then crayfish and pepper grounded together, and ogiri. So I grounded the Uziza seed. As you guys can see, I'm adding it. Give it a good mix. Then cover and leave to boil. Once it boils, here I've washed the dry fish, add it. Add water enough to cook the soup. Then this is the ofor. I'm going to be dissolving it in oil. So this is the thickener we are going to be using. So it's called ofor in the eastern part. So as you guys can see, I've added it. Give it a good mix and cover and leave to thicken. So as you guys can see, our soup has thickened. Okay. Give it a mix, then add seasoning cube, then salt, cover and leave for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it's time to add a shredded Uziza leaves. Add the Uziza leaves, then we give it a good mix. Cover and leave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our soup is ready. So guys, our soup is ready. Remove from heat and serve. Guys, this soup was super delicious. Make sure you try it out and you're going to love it. You can serve with any swallow of choice. So for the recipe measurements and ingredients, check the description. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.